Welcome to this video on understanding limits in calculus. What is a limit? In this video, we are going to explore the definition and the physical significance of limits in calculus. We will understand the concept of limits both mathematically and physically. In mathematical analysis, limits help determine continuity and define derivatives and integrals. A limit tells us the value a function approaches for a given input. For example, the limit of f of x as x approaches a is written as limit of f(x) as x approaches a. A limit of a function exists when the left-hand limit is equal to the right-hand limit. This condition indicates that the function is continuous at the point and the limit exists. Here, L is the value that the function approaches as x gets close to a from both sides. Now, we calculate the limit of the function 1 over x as x approaches 0. Let us now look at the graph of 1 over x. The function is defined everywhere except at x equals 0. At x equals 0, the function is discontinuous. As we approach 0 from the right, the function tends toward positive infinity. So the right-hand limit is positive infinity. Now from the left, the function approaches negative infinity. Thus the left-hand limit is negative infinity. Since the left and right-hand limits are not equal, the limit does not exist at x equals 0. Now, consider another simple example. Calculate the limit of the squared of x plus 1 as x approaches to 0. At x equals 0, the function is continuous. As we approach 0 from the right, the function tends toward 1. So the right-hand limit is 1. Now from the left, the function also approaches to 1. Thus the left-hand limit is 1. Since the left and right-hand limits are equal, the limit exists as x approaches to 0. If you want to calculate limits for other functions step by step, you can try the Android app Limit Step-by-Step Calculator. I have provided the download link in the description box. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped you understand the concept of limits. Please give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on mathematics and physics.